Hi, in this short screencast, you're going to get an overview of some of the projects that I have built. I am Anand Subramanian. I am a graduate master's student at the University of Pennsylvania. I'm pursuing my degree in computer science. So let's have a look at some of my projects at the University of Penn. The Code Comments tool is something I hacked together for one of the hackathons at Penn. It allows the user to export inline code documentation, both single line and multi-line comments as a spreadsheet, and it's useful in rapid development to track inline documentation. It allows you to do code comment extraction from Java, C, C++, and C# code. So this is what the application looks like. It allows you to choose your source directory and populates the files in that particular directory. And this is an example of the spreadsheet generated. As you can see, these are both single line and multi-line comments that are generated, and they allow us to get an idea of what's going on within this application. Right, PenPhoto. PenPhoto is a social networking and a photo sharing web application intended to be used by Penn students, professors, and alumni. We built it using Google Web Toolkit. We used Oracle Express Edition as our database. The basic functionality we provided was to allow a user to add other users recommended to him by the system or by the web application. We used an algorithm that found other users in the system with the maximum number of mutual friends and aligning interests. It also allows users to share photos and view a graph of the user's friend network. So this is what the login page looks like. This is the user's home page where he can have a look at the updates from his friends and the comments have posted on his photos. There's a set of recommendations which he can accept and add new users, or he can search for new users. We have a visualization of the user and his friend network with the user at the center. This was built using the JavaScript InfoViz toolkit. This is the user's photo collection, and it allows users to upload photos, tag photos, comment and rate photos. So you can see here that when we upload the photo, we can share it with a couple of your friends, or you can share it with circles or lists of friends. That's about it for PenPhoto. Let's have a look at some of the photos, the projects. Can't get the photos out of my head. Projects at my undergraduate university, the University of Mumbai. KDS. KDS was a sweet document summarization tool. It was my final year project. It won department exhibition at my undergraduate college. So it's a little different from document summarizers in the sense that it allows different kinds of document summaries. A simple summary based on word frequency that allows you to reduce a passage or a text document to 1/3, at least 1/3 of its length. A cluster or subtopic based summary, which basically uses a cluster mining algorithm to extract paragraphs or clusters of text with recurring themes. It also involves an ontology based summary, which allows the user to look for an OWL ontology file on the internet to suit the theme of information that he is looking for from the document, and apply the classifications from the OWL file as association rules to to the text document and extract relevant sentences. So we use the Swoogle ontology engine, and we present our series in an exportable slide presentation form. It allows you to export it as a PowerPoint presentation. So this is how the application looks when you open a document. Here you can select the scale of the summary that you wish to generate, how much you wish to retrieve, the minimum being 1/3 of the length. This is a view of the classification rules that have been extracted from an OWL file, which would then be applied to the text corpus to extract all sentences that satisfy these rules. So here we are looking at an ontology on sport, and all sentences associated with sport from passage would be extracted. And this is a small Microsoft agent that would help in the usability of the application, that allows you to read out the summaries and find out or guess the title of the document by looking at the first few lines. Music is a mall or a shopping complex navigational guide tool. It basically uses Microsoft's multi-point SDK, which allows multiple mouse devices to be connected to the same computer, and multiple mouse devices to be present on the screen. The usage of this tool is in a very large shopping complex where users or a large number of users would like to know where certain stores or multiplexes or movie theaters are located, and they can use multiple mouse devices provided alongside a large computer screen and a single computer to view the information they're looking for. So this is what the application looks like. You have two users with two mouse devices accessing the same screen at the same time, with one user looking at the movies that are currently being screened and the other user looking at the food outlets in the vicinity. It also allows users to get a more bird's eye view by moving the mouse over a map and checking out what is available at that particular location on the map. And this is an admin screen where an administrator from the mall can update information about movies being scheduled and items that are available in different shops. Right, the Hawkeye application is basically the Umpire's Hawkeye is basically a training software for cricket referees or umpires in their ability to give on-the-spot decisions or make calls during a match. It's a Java Swing application. That's how it looks like, and it works by showing the user a real-time scenario from a cricket match, a real-time video, and allows the user to choose out or not out, and then validates the user's choice by showing a slow motion replay with these tram lines to give the user a guide of where the ball was moving and whether he got the decision right or not. We used videos from YouTube, and where we split the videos into the real-time segment and the slow motion replay. Digital Diary. It's a software version of the classic time management tool that allows users to store their reminders, write drafts of emails or letters, and store important contact information, and also allows users to bookmark their favorite applications on their Windows machines. So this is what the login screen looks like. This is a screenshot of the application itself and all of the features that it provides, including a neat little thought for the day at the bottom of the screen. And that's an example of the reminders that we allow a user to set up. Bomberman. Bomberman is a C++ graphics game. It was built using Turbo C. It uses DOS graphics to draw different game elements like planes and a cannon turret, and uses the keyboard for input. It's a classical game based on the 1980s Paratrooper game. Was part of a winning entry in my college technical festival. So this is an example of the game in action. Vesta. Vesta is one of the entries from my college for Microsoft's Imagine Cup, the software design competition held in India, and the theme for that year was green software. They wanted software that helps the environment. So this is basically an ASP.NET web application that can be used by the tree authority of a town planning department who approved the construction in an area after checking environmental factors. In this case, the major factor was the percentage greenery in that topology. So we allow users to sign on using the web application. Builders, architects, people wanting to purchase a plot of land, they can go on the website and draw out a plot and submit it for verification by the town planning department. The town planning department then uses a client application called a green scanner, which implements an image processing algorithm to check percentage greenery after the delineated area has been removed from the map. So this project was selected in the top 25 teams from India for Microsoft's Imagine Cup. So this is an example of the architecture diagram we provided to Microsoft. It has all the stakeholders. In hindsight, it's a little complex, and that's exactly what Microsoft had to say about it. They said that we defined our problem correctly. We contacted a non-profit organization, Oasis, in Mumbai, to get their inputs on whether our software is truly green, and Microsoft said we had a fairly cool presentation. So this is a look at the screenshots. This is the web application where users can sign up, and they can draw out their plot like so, and the delineated area would be removed, and somebody from the town planning department then download that image and run the green scan algorithm to check if the greenery has reduced significantly in that area due to the proposed construction. Right, as part of my extracurricular activities, I was the webmaster of the Debating Society website during my undergraduate days. This is a simple ASP.NET application or website that I built and maintained over a year. Contains some cool links, complete with a bulletin board forum for the subscribed members of the Debating Society to post their views and to have online debates. So that's what it looks like. I guess that's it. Thank you for watching.